back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to print hello world or how to write hello world in Java program. Okay, hello world is just one of the simplest and the most popular program in Java. Okay, this is actually the first program every beginner writes because it shows how Java works and how a basic program is structured. Okay, so in Java, every program starts with a class. Okay, every program starts with a class, and a class is just a container. Like I've said that in one of my video before, Java is a class is a blueprint. Okay, that holds the whole code. Okay, so then after the class, there is something we call main method. Okay, the main method is the entry point of every program that you are writing. It's where the program starts executing. The computer starts reading your code from there and give you the right output for your program. So we are going to be writing the code to print hello world in Java. Okay, doing that, we are going to start by our class. Okay, we are going to call it main. We're going to call the class main. So we'll start by public static public class, then the class will be main. Okay, then we are going to write our main method. Okay, this is our main method, public static void main. So here we'll have our string. Okay, now so this is where we are going to write our. But before we do something, I would like to make something very clear. Okay, and that thing is, for every program you write, you have to open a curly brace first. Okay, so we are going to do that for this. So we open a curly brace for this. Okay, you have opened a curly brace for this. Then inside here we'll have our main method and also another curly brace for the main method. Okay, then we are going to print the word that we want to print, what we want to write about. Okay, which is basically hello world that we are trying to print. Hello world is one of the simplest and the easiest program for every beginner in Java. Okay, it's actually in every programming language. You can write hello world as your first program. So we're going to be printing it out by System.out.println, and then in our parentheses we are going to be having hello world, and it's going to be in quotes hello world, and then we close it with a semicolon. So now that we have write this program, the next thing we are going to do is to save it. How are we going to save it? So you go to this place, you can see it says save as. So we are going to save it. There are some other, you can create a folder for it. Okay, so let's create a folder for it. I don't want to make use of the folder I have before, so that anyone watching this video can understand what we are actually doing. So I'll go back here and then I'll create a new folder. So create a new folder, and I'll give it, let me give it a name like program. I'll give it a name program. Okay, so now let's go back to our Visual Studio Code. So we save it. Go to the desktop. When you go to the desktop, you see the thing that we open. Okay, that's it. So we are going to save it as main. You save every program with the class name. So you're going to save as main.java. Now we have saved it. So let's run this code and see. So to run it, we open a terminal here. Okay. So we are going to start by connecting to the system by CD OneDrive, and then CD desktop, and then CD the folder name which is program. Okay. Now the class name, which is, and then compiling, we are going to use Java C. It's for compiling. Java C main.java. If the code is very correct, it will run without any error at this point. Okay, so let's run it and see if we have an error. Perfect, there is no error. So to run it, we are going to run with a class name. So we say Java main, maybe .java, .java. Now you run it. So you can see it successfully prints hello world here. So if you look at it here, you can see it prints hello world. Please kindly like and share this video. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please subscribe and be ready for more videos. Thanks for watching.